So you're new to Depop and you want to learn how to leave a review for a buyer or for someone who's bought your item? Well, it looks like you're in luck because today that is what we're going to be going over. But before I tell you about that, you should just subscribe because you'll love it. If you like Depop or vintage or thrifting, you'll absolutely love this channel. But it's super easy to leave a review. If you're leaving a review for someone who has bought your item, all you've got to do, click the middle icon at the bottom of the screen that looks a little bit like a shop. Simply just click all sold items. It will come up with this screen. And then all you got to do, say you want to leave a review on your top item, scroll down, see where it says leave feedback, click that, click OK, and just leave them some feedback pretty much. Remember to be nice though. I would always give them a 5-star rating and give them a nice little comment because it does mean a lot for sellers, it really does. But if you're trying to leave a review for an item that you purchased, it's as easy. Literally just click on your profile, which is the bottom right icon, and click the center top icon, which kind of looks like a receipt, and then just click on the item that you want to leave a review on. For example, the top one. I've already left a review on this one, but it's exactly the same. Just click leave feedback at the bottom, leave them a nice review. It's as simple as that. But you haven't subscribed, you're absolutely insane. You're gonna miss out. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in another video.